horrific. Like, this is why I picked this story, because like every aspect of it is horrible.
It is scary, and it's so like tragic. And hi there. So I actually have something I didn't even plan on doing, and this is exciting. So I received this in the mail because I'm on the PR list. That's a lie. I'm not on the PR list. I'm not on any PR list. So someday soon. But I decided to get myself something from Lady Gaga's makeup company, HAUS Laboratories, and it was their 3-piece mystery box. So I'm excited. We're gonna open this together. Hi there, my name is Charles, and I'm a makeup channel, and stick around, we might have a good time. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I am a pretty big fan of Lady Gaga. I have been for a very long time. She is just somebody who I look up to. Her music is just some of my favorite. I have her Oreos packet framed on my wall. Love those Oreos. I ate like 5 packs of those Oreos. Ooh, okay, here we go. I'm opening it up. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous, okay. It says HAUS Laboratories. How fun. Oh my gosh, okay. It's got real bags. Okay, first let's get this card. Ooh. And there she is, Lady Gaga, right in the middle of her all-inclusive brand. It says, I'll read you the back. HAUS Laboratories. When I was young, I never felt beautiful, and as I struggled to find a sense of both inner and outer beauty, I discovered the power of makeup. I remember watching my mother put her makeup on every morning, basking in the glow of her power to put on her bravest face as the hardworking woman she was. I then began to experiment with makeup as a way to make my dreams of being as strong as my mother become true. It was then I invented Lady Gaga, and I found the superhero within me by looking in the mirror and seeing who I wanted to be. Sometimes beauty doesn't come naturally from within, but I'm so grateful that makeup inspired a bravery in me I didn't know that I had. I've come to accept that I discovered my beauty by having the ability to invent myself and transform. They said I was weird, but really, I was just born this way. Love, Lady Gaga. These are my first HAUS Laboratory products, by the way. I've never tried any of her stuff before, so I decided it was a good deal to not only get, this reusable little HAUS Laboratories bag, but to also not have to choose about what products I think I will use the most of or get whatever. I figured that I would just have Lady Gaga and her team choose for me. So first, let's see what's in here. I have a Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon. So it is a lip product. And then I have a La Riot Gloss and a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, okay. What should we open first? I wanna see this crayon. Miami Tango, okay. And it really just is in crayon form. And it looks like it's in a kind of, whoa, okay. So it really does look to be that kind of like bright, summery red. So let's see. This just looks really good. Let's get like a good kiss test. Let's see. Okay. There's a little bit of like rub off in that first initial one, but in the second one, really not much to come off. So it looks fantastic. Let's see what else we got. So we also have a La Riot lip gloss. This is in shade Angel Tears. Ooh. Also something to note, all of Lady Gaga's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan, and that is 2 things about my lifestyle that I keep consistent. So anybody out there who is looking for good vegan makeup, check out Lady Gaga's brand, HAUS Laboratories. These are really cool. What's the word I'm even looking for? These are really cool canisters, designs, containers. Ooh, Okay, let's get a swatch test to see. It looks to be like really light pink shimmer gloss. Let's see. Now, obviously, I'm going to try this over this lip. Okay, so that added a little bit of shimmer. But I will show you what this looks like just by itself on my lips later. Okay, so here is 2 layers of Angel Tears just so I could really show you what it looks like. This gloss kind of feels like it really is like sticking to my lips. Like it kind of feels like a thicker gel formula. And it feels like it wants to stay with me. Just, yeah, I feel like my lips are almost plastic and I'm not mad. Okay, then we have the 3rd product. We have liquid eyeliner in shade Punk. Is it just black? It looks like it is just black. Let's see how easily it glides on. Ooh, now I already have some liner on, but we can still have a little bit of fun with it. I mean, honestly, it just feels like a good black liner. Let's see though, after it's dry, if it budges. It dried pretty quick and it looks like it's going nowhere. Let's see. Okay, just a little bit of like rubbage. But honestly, I think that's because it was like just still a tad wet. Other than that, that sticks on really, really well. I don't really know what this is, but guys, these are good products. Don't ask me what these are right here, okay? I know that I would just off the top of my head, I was trying to do this look right here. That didn't work out, but I mean, this is just a good black liner. I've already heard really good things about this liner. Other than that, if you want to get this mystery bag, not only do you get this reusable little cute HAUS Laboratories bag, but you also get a really good everyday red for any skin tone, matte lip. You can always put this gloss over it to make it glossy, or you can always wear this gloss just by itself, and just a regular good black felt tip eyeliner pen with really good color payoff and like no smudging. So this is a really good investment. I think it was only $35. This already has sold me on getting more makeup from Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga, someday when I meet you and someday when I'm on your PR list, or you know, I meet you when I'm an actor or a singer or all 3, I'm gonna thank you for so many things, but I'm also gonna thank you for making these because I'm gonna look fantastic, especially with this lip color. I'm sort of unstoppable. So watch out, world, because this little monster, he's feeling himself. Well, hey guys, that's kind of all I have. I know that was really, really short, but I hope you have oh my gosh, this kind of looks ridiculous right here. Please don't judge my makeup skills off of these right here. I hope you guys have a fantastic whatever time of day it is, and thank you for hanging out with me. This is how we say goodbye on my channel. Don't forget that I do have a podcast. I'm on all social media. All that stuff is below. And yes, this is how I say goodbye. I'm gonna blow you a kiss and you have to catch it, and then you're gonna blow it back and I will catch it every single time. So here we go. Mwah. I'm beautiful in my way. All right, blow it on back. Yes. Put your paws up. Oh. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and get ready because, I don't know, this lip color makes me feel unstoppable. I love you, and go stream all of Lady Gaga's music and check out her makeup company because she's amazing. Bye.